Right. Today's topic, on the request of one student, it is on branch accounting. We first understand what is a branch. We know branch is an extended location which is far from head office. Say suppose head office is in Hyderabad and the branch is in Visakhapatnam, but both are actually of the same entity, but they are geographically separated. So here the total books can be maintained at HO, or books can be maintained at branch separately. But however, at the end of the year, the total books, we can call it as consolidated books, is to be made at head office level. So technically speaking, it is one company or one entity having branches across cities. So branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, whereas head office is only one. Assume the HO is in Hyderabad and it has branches all over South India. One branch is at Visakhapatnam, one branch is at Bangalore, and one branch is at Chennai. So this is Karnataka branch, and this is Andhra Pradesh branch, and this is Tamil Nadu branch, whereas head office is in Telangana. Right. So each branch does the operations, and HO here also does the operations, and the books maintenance depending upon the kind of a branch it is. If I say domestic branches, basically branches are of two types: inland branch and foreign branch. Inland branch is also, we can call it as domestic branch. Within India, in our terms, it is within India, it is outside India. So head office is also in India, branch is also in India, it is called inland branch. Like Hyderabad head office and say Visakhapatnam branch office. So this branch is inland or domestic, whereas Hyderabad head office and say Singapore branch, this is foreign branch. So the accounting is different for inland branch and foreign branch. First of all, we should learn what is the accounting for inland branches. So I am writing here inland branches, or we can call them as domestic branches. Domestic, where both the HO and the branch are in the same country. Now, inland branches again are two types. One is called as dependent branch, and the other is called as independent branch. Independent branch. What is dependent branch? In this case, the books of the branch maintained at head office only. Technically like consignment. Branch only maintains a small record of transactions, send it to head office. Head office maintains the books of accounts. It is called dependent branch. And independent branch, which is maintains separate books of accounts at branch. So it maintains detailed books of accounts at branch level, and at the end of the year the books will be sent to HO for consolidation. So first part is complete control. Here in dependent branches, the total accounts of branch are controlled by head office. So head office having full control on the accounting, because each and every transaction recorded by head office with the small statements received from branch from time to time. Whereas in independent branches, the books are separately maintained at branch level, so that the control is not with HO on the books, but HO will consolidate at the end of the year. So here branch sends the TB to HO at the end of the year for consolidation. So while learning this branch accounting, we should learn how do we account it for independent branches, how do we account it for dependent branches. See, as a policy or as a practice, we always first start the accounting for dependent branches. So we will learn about accounting for dependent branches in the coming video. How do we account, how many methods of accounting, how entries shall be passed, how the ledger shall be prepared, and we also do some practical solutions from the same CMA textbook as well as CA textbook. I take two textbooks as reference. One textbook I'll take from CMA Inter, other textbook I'll take from CA Inter. I'll be solving CMA Inter problems as well as CA Inter problems, so that the students of both the professional syllabus, professional studies, can be benefited by reading or by listening this particular video on dependent branch first. Let us meet in the next video on accounting for dependent branches.